Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we help you make informed choices on the best beauty products out there. Today, we're talking about a lipstick that promises bold, long-lasting color and all-day comfort. Rimmel's Lasting Finish Extreme Lipstick in the shade Buzzin'. Now, we've all been there with lipsticks that look great at first, but don't quite deliver when it comes to comfort or longevity. So let's see how this one holds up. The Rimmel Lasting Finish Extreme Lipstick claims to offer bold, rich color with just one swipe, plus a smooth, creamy texture that glides on easily. It's designed to fuse with your lips, offering long-lasting wear that leaves you feeling moisturized and comfortable throughout the day. No dragging, no skipping, just smooth application. When I first tried it, I was immediately struck by how easy it was to apply. The creamy formula truly glides on without any tugging, which is a huge plus for me, especially when I'm in a rush. The color payoff was instant and definitely bold. Buzzin', in particular, is a vibrant, deep shade that delivers on its promise of being eye-catching. As for comfort, it's surprisingly good. I didn't feel the need to reapply every few hours, and my lips didn't dry out, which is a common issue with many long-wear lipsticks. This one keeps the lips moisturized, and I didn't experience any cracks or uncomfortable dryness that I sometimes get with matte formulas. But let's talk about longevity. The lipstick held up well throughout my day, even after eating and drinking. While I didn't expect it to look exactly the same at the end of the day as when I first applied it, it did fade evenly, which I appreciate. There was no weird patchiness or unevenness around the edges, which is often the downfall of many long-wearing lipsticks. Now, of course, there are a couple of downsides. The only real con I noticed is that, while the formula feels lightweight, it does have a bit of a waxy feel after a few hours of wear. For some, this might not be an issue, but I tend to prefer lipsticks that feel a bit more weightless as the day goes on. In terms of value for money, this lipstick is fairly affordable. Rimmel is known for offering solid quality at a lower price point, and this lipstick is no exception. Given its comfortable wear and decent longevity, I think it offers good value for what you're paying. If you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely some high-end options that may last even longer or offer more luxe packaging, but if you're on a budget, this is a great pick. So, who is this lipstick best suited for? If you're someone who wants bold color that lasts all day, but still values comfort, this is definitely worth a try. It's a great everyday lipstick for those who need something that looks good, feels good, and stays in place without a lot of fuss. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on all things beauty. Your support means we can continue bringing you honest reviews like this. Have you tried Rimmel's Lasting Finish Extreme Lipstick? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.